Hey there! Are you looking for ways to improve your website's usability and attractiveness through interactive maps? Well, I've got the perfect plugin for you to use. If you're ready, let's just dive right into it. So our plugin's name is US Interactive Map by Flashshop, and this is their landing page, and I would like to just briefly introduce you to some of their key features and use cases. So here you can find the map usage application. So you can create maps for sales regions, for dealers, for representatives. You can visualize your data with these maps, and you can create interactive infographics. Then you can also make the website navigation easier for your website users. Here you can find a couple of examples of use that you can get some inspiration from, and then you can see the advantages here, some customer reviews, and most importantly the set of features that they've got here. So you can create an unlimited number of maps with different settings. You can apply adjustable colors to the states and markers, and then you can also choose some hover tooltips. You can make the states customizable click actions. So many things that you can do with this, and I would like to show you a use case here. So you can see that this website has integrated the US map into their website with US Interactive Map plugin, and you can see how it matches the feel and look of their website. And here you can see they have a drop-down list here if you want, for example, to make it even easier for your customers to find the state that they're looking for if they just cannot find it them here. And then you can see once you click on a state, you will first of all see the full name, and then you can find the contact information to your right. Okay, so let's now head to the WordPress dashboard and see what we can do there. Right now I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and here I've already installed and activated the US Interactive Map plugin. And first and foremost, I would like to show you how easy and quick it is to create a map here. So simply you will need to type the name here. Let's say we want to create a map for our sales representatives, and click on this add new map button, and it will immediately appear here, like it's a matter of seconds. And from here you can go to preview to quickly see the default visual of your map. And then you can from here navigate to general settings, detailed settings, script settings, wherever you want to go. I just wanted to show you how quick it is actually. So let's get started with general settings and see what we can do here. So you can customize and edit here like the basic things, starting from your map settings and its sizes, map width, map height. You can customize it here. You can choose and customize the name here for you to better navigate through your maps if you have many of them, let's say. Then you can also choose to display a list of states in this case. On the other hand of your map, as in this case, you can see that we have a list of the states here right at top. So once you enable this show list of names, you will need to also enable this drop down list, because by default it might be do not show. So make sure you choose either only on mobile phone or only on mobile and desktop. Okay, let's stick to this one. And you can also choose to show only the active areas of your map. For example, if you do not have a sales representative for Texas, then you can just enable this button and it will not show and disable the Texas state. Okay, so you can also choose where you want to display the content information for each of the states. So you can either choose to right or at bottom. In this case, you can see once we click here, it appears like to our left, but we can also choose to display it like here at bottom. Okay, once you go down a bit here, you can see that you can also customize the fonts regarding the size and colors. And that's pretty much it from this general settings. Let's now head to these detailed settings where you can customize the states in this case individually. Okay, so let's say I want to choose this Colorado state. Well, here you can find the name of the state, the short name, which you are free to customize, but I think it's not necessary. And then from here, one of the most important parts of this section is that you can choose what you want to display once your customer hovers over that area, over that state. So you can choose to display nothing. You can choose to open a URL. So once they click, they will open up a new page. It will redirect them to another page. And then you can also choose this show more info, where you can add this information here and it will display either to their right or at bottom. Okay, so that's really cool. And here you can also customize the state color. So this is the state color if no one like clicks on them, and this is the area hover color. Once someone like clicks on them and keeps the mouse on them, then it will change the color to this one. So again, that's just to keep in mind that you will choose the colors for your website to match the look and feel of your website the best. So you are free to do that. You have the full control over the design. Okay, so let's now head to preview and see what we have here. Okay, once we click on Colorado, you can see the information, the content appear right here. We choose to the right and it is right, it is displayed here. So that's really cool, but we've got also a couple of other features that I would like to introduce to you. Next comes this group settings, which is a really awesome feature by the US Interactive Map plugin, and it allows you to group a couple of states together and make a holistic customization for them all. Okay, so let's say you have a couple of states, then you have one sales representative company for them all. So you want to group them so that the process is a lot easier and simpler for you. So we've got a couple of groups here. So let's say the South Central. Once you click here on this area selection, you can see that states included visually. In this case, it's Oklahoma and Texas, and you can easily select and deselect any other states from here. So it's really cool. But one thing to keep in mind here is that if you make any changes and customizations here, it also affects every state that is included in this group. So if you go to the detailed settings, you will see that those changes are also reflected there for your individual states. So you can again choose the content to display here, choose what you want to do when someone clicks on your state, either do nothing or open a URL or show more info, and you can add any other info here. And then the coloring again, if you choose a coloring, again, keep in mind that it will affect all the states here. So let's now see this visually. Let's go to preview, and here you can see that is really visually very appealing and very easy to navigate through. And you can see that the contact information appears for this whole group here. Well, that's it about the US Interactive Map plugin for today. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.